What process involves the application of a metal coating onto another surface using an electric current? A. Corrosion prevention. B. Hyperthyroidism treatment. C. Fingerprint analysis. D. Electroplating. The correct answer is D. Electroplating. Which of the following was not one of the three Dravidian kingdoms that dominated South India? A. Chera. B. Cholas. C. Magad. D. Pandya. The correct answer is C. Magad. How often should hands be washed during the day? A. Only when visible dirt is present. B. Only once. C. Only before meals. D. Many times. The correct answer is D. Many times. What is the term for a combination of reactants in their naturally occurring states, solids, liquids, gases? A. Contact in physical states. B. Suspension. C. Mixture. D. Solution. The correct answer is A. Contact in physical states. Which of these is a healthy activity recommended for individuals in rehabilitation? A. Sedentary hobbies. B. Excessive gaming. C. Yoga and meditation. D. Constant social media use. The correct answer is C. Yoga and meditation. What are the three subatomic particles of great importance in understanding the structure of an atom? A. Quarks, leptons, and bosons. B. Alpha, beta, gamma particles. C. Electrons, protons, and neutrons. D. Ions, isotopes, and isobars. The correct answer is C. Electrons, protons, and neutrons. What is the system called where citizens directly give their consent? A. Federal system. B. Direct democracy. C. Indirect consent. D. Representative system. The correct answer is B. Direct democracy. Which body's members are directly elected by the people, as mentioned in the text? A. Panchayat Union. B. District Panchayat. C. State Assembly. D. Village Headman. The correct answer is A. Panchayat Union. What is precipitation with a raindrop size of less than 0.5 millimeters in diameter known as? A. Drizzle. B. Rain. C. Snow. D. Hail. The correct answer is A. Drizzle. Which state was Mane a part of? A. Maryland. B. Virginia. C. New York. D. Massachusetts. The correct answer is D. Massachusetts. When did the Sangam period begin to decline? A. Towards the end of the 3rd century AD. B. Around 206 BC. C. During the rule of the Muvendas. D. Towards the beginning of the 1st century AD. The correct answer is A. Towards the end of the 3rd century AD. Who raised the demand for Swaraj that gained momentum? A. Bhagat Singh and Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Tilak and Annie Besant. C. Sardar Patel and Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is B. Tilak and Annie Besant. Who published the book On the Origin of Species? A. Charles Darwin. B. The text does not specify. C. Neolithic people. D. Herbert Spencer. The correct answer is B. The text does not specify. What is the minimum capital required for an industry to be classified as a large-scale industry? A. More than 1 crore. B. Half a crore. C. Exactly 1 crore. D. Less than 1 crore. The correct answer is A. More than 1 crore. What does the term totality refer to in the definition of the universe? A. Everything that exists or is known to exist. B. Only Earth and its solar system. C. Only visible stars. D. Only known galaxies. The correct answer is A. Everything that exists or is known to exist. The Varna system in the beginning was described as a based social division. A. Wealth. B. Birth. C. Rigid religious. D. Flexible occupation. The correct answer is D. Flexible occupation. Amoeboid movement is characterized by the movement of what within a cell? A. Nucleus. B. Vacuole. C. Protoplasm. D. Mitochondria. The correct answer is C. Protoplasm. What is another name for planets with a solid rock crust surface? A. Liquid planets. B. Rocky planets. C. Icy planets. D. Gaseous planets. The correct answer is B. Rocky planets. What property of solids, in addition to density, affects the velocity of sound waves? A. Elastic properties. B. Electrical conductivity. C. Thermal expansion. D. Magnetic permeability. The correct answer is A. Elastic properties. Which administrative unit is the largest in ancient Tamizhgam among the options provided? A. Kuram. B. Mandalam. C. Nadu. D. Ur. The correct answer is B. Mandalam. How many towns in Africa now have a population exceeding 1 million? A. 50. B. 100. C. 25. D. 10. The correct answer is A. 50. What was one of Guru Padmasambhava's contributions to the relationship between India and Bhutan? A. Introducing new agricultural techniques. B. Spreading Buddhism. C. Negotiating border treaties. D. Establishing trade routes. The correct answer is B. Spreading Buddhism. The abbreviation NA is mentioned in the context of abbreviations written on slices. What might these abbreviations represent? A. Bodies of water. B. Sizes of landforms. C. Continents. D. Types of landforms. The correct answer is C. Continents. How many biosphere reserves are in India? A. 22. Born in 1936. C. 52. D. 15. The correct answer is D. 15. Which spice from the list is a type of pepper? A. Black pepper. B. Fennel. C. Ginger. D. Turmeric. The correct answer is A. Black pepper. In which city did the Nayak kingdom emerge? A. Delhi. B. Madurai. C. CNG. D. Bidar. The correct answer is C. CNG. What do two or more parties exchange in a market? A. Goods, services, and information. B. Raw materials and labor. C. Only goods. D. Ideas and opinions. The correct answer is A. Goods, services, and information. When is Constitution Day celebrated? A. 26th January. B. 26th November. C. 9th December. D. 15th August. The correct answer is B. 26th November. What describes the seeds of gymnosperms? A. Enclosed within a fruit. B. Embedded in the soil. C. Enclosed within a cone. D. Naked. The correct answer is D. Naked. What does the simulation allow users to adjust to observe changes in phases? A. Volume. B. Concentration. C. Temperature. D. Pressure. The correct answer is C. Temperature. How did you score?